A life without struggle is a life without success. A very good evening to all of you. At the outset of my speech, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards sir for giving me this great opportunity to deliver a speech here. Thank you so much, sir. My topic is my educational journey. Myself, Ayushi Dikshit. I am daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dikshit. My father's name is Mr. Rakesh Dikshit and he is a priest. He has a very good knowledge of his work. He is very hardworking and passionate and always been an inspiration for me. My mother is a housewife. She always used to do all the household chores by herself so that we can concentrate on our studies. But nowadays her health is not well, so we all support her in her work and also take care of her. I also have my elder brother and his name is Mr. Ashutosh Dikshit. Nowadays he is working in a renowned company and also preparing for some government exams. He always motivates me and supports me when I get depressed. I also have my grandfather. His name is Mr. Bejna Dikshit. He is 90 and his presence means a lot to us. When it was my summer vacation after 8th standard, I appeared in entrance exam for School of Excellence Balvinay Mandir and I got admission there and changed my medium from Hindi to English. So I wanted to join some English institute so that my English skills will improve. Then my brother suggested me to join Shastri Sir's English Home and I also eagerly joined this institute. I worked on English grammar 4 to 5 months and then I worked on spoken English part. When I went to school, I used to solve all the English grammar exercises and gave answers there. I felt wonderful change in my English. After some time, due to some unmanageable schoolwork, I was not able to come here continuously, so I stopped to come here that time. In 10th standard, I joined Pride Institute and there Mahendra Jain sir taught us mathematics very well. Because of his teaching, my interest grew in mathematics and I scored 80% in 10th standard and I opted for PCM in 11th standard and I scored 86% in 12th standard. Then as I always wanted to go in teaching field, so I decided to do Bachelor of Science in Computer Science branch. So I filled the online counseling form and in the first attempt I got Holkar Science College, but I got electronics as a branch which I was not wanting. So I went for other counselings, but in second and third counselling I didn't find my name in the merit list, so my heart sank. But as I hardly wanted to get admission in Holkar Science College, and finally in the CLC round I got admission in Holkar Science College with CS branch which I wanted. When I was in my third year, my mother went through a kidney operation and my exams were also starting, so I was worrying that how will I manage all these things. But suddenly COVID broke out and lockdown was imposed, so I got enough time to manage my studies and take care of my mother's health. And finally I completed my graduation in first division. Then I started my masters in applied mathematics from Institute of Engineering and Technology, DAVV. In third semester companies were coming for placements, so I registered for TCS and Infosys. Due to some reasons I was not able to take TCS exam, but somehow I managed to appear in Infosys exam and I took that exam. Then after that I did well in that exam, and after that I felt that I will definitely get a call for interview. And the same thing happened. When my interview happened and the interviewer asked me some technical questions and I answered him well, but actually he was checking my communicational skills. So after my interview I felt that I should work on my soft skills, and fortunately I again joined this institute. That time sir also launched one of his books. Its name was Improve Your Communicational Skills, and I was very blessed to I was also a part of that event, and in that event I listened to some of successful students of this institute. Then after 4 to 5 months of my interview, I received a mail that I have cleared the interview successfully, and I broke this news in my to my family members, and all were very happy after listening this. After some time I got the offer letter, and there was a 6 months training and also exit criteria. My starting 3 months training was online, and then they called us to one of the very big campus of Infosys, that is Mysore, for remaining training and for exams. So I went there, and the campus was really very big and beautiful. On holidays we went to Mysore Palace, Vrindavan Garden and Chamundi Mata Temple and Ooty, as it was the famous places of Mysore. After some time we successfully completed our training there, and in December we got the release mail, and finally we came back to our home. After when I reached home, everyone was very happy to see me, because I went because I went so far from my family first time, as I completed all my studies from my hometown itself. And now I got the base location as Indore, and now I am on bench, that is reskilling. That's all about myself till now, and many more to come, because life is full of unexpected happenings. You never know what is stored for you in future. So always give your best in every situation. Thanks a bunch for listening to me and paying heed to my words.